The cosmos is full of wonders, but few are as mysterious as black holes. Imagine a place where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. These are not science fiction, they're real, and we call them black holes. Black holes form when massive stars die, collapsing under their own gravity. This collapse warps space-time, creating a region from which nothing can return. Black holes are cosmic laboratories, pushing physics to its limits. They shape galaxies, influence the orbits of stars, and sit at the heart of the Milky Way. Supermassive black holes, millions of times heavier than our sun, anchor entire galaxies. Their gravity sculpts the universe, making them key players in cosmic evolution. Understanding black holes helps us understand the universe itself. They're not just traps, they're engines of creation and destruction. Black holes are a fundamental piece of the cosmic puzzle. Only the most massive stars can become black holes. When these giants die, they explode in a supernova, scattering elements across space, but the core collapses, squeezing immense mass into a tiny space. The result, gravity so intense, not even light can escape. This isn't magic, it's the ultimate victory of gravity. The escape velocity near a black hole exceeds the speed of light. Nothing can break free, making the black hole's boundary absolute. Black holes are the universe's most extreme objects, born from the death of stars. Their formation is a testament to gravity's power. Where a star once shone, now there's only a silent, invisible abyss. The cosmos recycles, creating new wonders from stellar death. The event horizon is a black hole's invisible boundary, the point of no return. Cross it, and escape becomes impossible. To an outside observer, you'd appear to slow down and fade away, never quite crossing the horizon. Time itself stretches near a black hole, as predicted by Einstein. Light escaping the gravity well is redshifted, growing dimmer and redder. From your perspective, you'd cross the horizon without noticing anything special. But to the universe outside, you're frozen at the edge, fading into darkness. Inside, time and space become disconnected from the outside world. You'd witness the universe's future unfold in moments as you fall. The event horizon is a one-way door. Once crossed, there's no turning back. It's one of the most mind-bending features in all of physics. Before reaching the event horizon, you'd experience spaghettification, being stretched by tidal forces. Gravity at your feet would be much stronger than at your head, pulling you into a long, thin strand. This violent stretching tears matter apart, atom by atom. For small black holes, this happens before you even cross the event horizon. For supermassive black holes, you might cross intact, only to be stretched later. Spaghettification is gravity at its most extreme, distorting and destroying matter. The process is a stark reminder of the black hole's power. No object, no matter how strong, can resist these forces. Everything is pulled toward the center, reduced to fundamental particles. It's the ultimate demonstration of gravity's destructive potential. Inside the event horizon, all paths lead to the center, the singularity. Space itself flows inward, faster than light, carrying everything to its doom. Escape is impossible. Even light is trapped. The singularity is a point of infinite density where physics breaks down. Here, general relativity and quantum mechanics clash, and our understanding fails. Some theories suggest wormholes or new forms of matter, but no one knows for sure. The fate of information inside a black hole remains one of science's greatest mysteries. Black holes challenge our deepest ideas about space, time, and reality. They are cosmic enigmas, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. At their heart lies the unknown, a place where the laws of physics end. Black holes remain the universe's most profound mystery.